Hello out there. Get ready for a fun-filled exploration with fun for all ages. 7 innovative toys for kids and adults. Hideal HP20 Microscope for Kids is a versatile and educational 3-in-1 tool designed to make science fun and engaging for young explorers. Serving as a DV camera, handheld microscope, and pocket telescope, it allows kids to capture stunning videos and photos, explore the microscopic world with 100x to 1000x magnification, and observe distant landscapes. Compact and easy to use, this digital miniscope features a 2-inch 1080p display, 10-megapixel resolution, and a built-in microphone, offering a complete learning experience. Perfect for sparking curiosity, it's an ideal educational tool packed with fun and discovery. Yudngli electronic handheld fidget toy is an addictive and fast-paced puzzle game designed to challenge and entertain. Featuring fidget toy-style gameplay, it allows players to flip, slide, and match lights to master the moves and beat the blocks. With 4 exciting game modes, score mode, level mode, memory mode, and multiplayer mode, this handheld game is perfect for improving hand-eye coordination and stimulating brain activity. Ideal for ages 6 to 12, it's a fun way to challenge yourself or compete with friends. Bitzee is an interactive digital pet that brings virtual pets to life in a fun, touchable way. Going beyond the traditional 2D screen, Bitzee reacts to your swipes, tilts, and touch in the real world. Nurture your Bitzee from baby to adult, and eventually to Super Bitzee, while unlocking new pets as you play. With 15 collectible animals, including cats, bunnies, and unicorns, this engaging toy allows you to give treats and discover new surprises, offering endless interactive fun. BrainBolt is a handheld electronic memory game designed to challenge your brain and improve problem-solving skills. Featuring lights and sounds, this engaging puzzle game tests your ability to remember and follow a sequence of lights for as long as possible without breaking the pattern. Perfect for ages 7 and up, BrainBolt offers both solo and 2-player modes, making it a fun and addicting game that helps enhance memory, sequential thinking, and confidence. Little Experimenter Talking Globe with Wireless Smart Pen is a dynamic learning tool designed to engage children aged 8 to 12 in world geography and culture. This 9-inch globe offers real-time information on countries, capitals, geography, populations, and more through a smart pen that activates voice recordings. Children can explore facts like national anthems, climates, and area codes, while 300 trivia questions make learning fun and interactive. Ideal for sparking curiosity, this globe provides hours of educational entertainment, helping children discover the world in a hands-on way. TOSY Flying Disc is an innovative, rechargeable frisbee featuring 36 RGB LEDs that produce up to 16.7 million color variations for a visually stunning experience. Weighing 175 grams, it offers smart modes for adjusting brightness, timer, color, and style, ensuring customizable play. With a 30-minute charge, it lasts up to 1,000 throws, making it perfect for outdoor fun, whether day or night. Scrib 3D printing pen is an affordable, high-quality tool designed for creating, drawing, doodling, and building in 3D. It includes 3 starter colors of PLA filament, a stencil book, a project guide, and a charger, making it perfect for beginners and experts alike. The pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity, and artistic skills, making it a great activity for quality family time or creating handmade gifts and decorations. With its stepless speed control and adjustable temperature, it offers precision for intricate designs or faster projects, making it a versatile tool for all ages.